How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your FiveM voice chat not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you've plugged up your microphone properly. So you just want to check those connections, whether it's properly connected. From there, head over to your computer and just search for the sound setting. Now, by doing this, we will be able to confirm that our microphone works perfectly. Now, in my case, as I speak, it will then capture that and I will be able to see that right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to just turn up your volume and to make sure that your voice meter or your microphone is currently selected. So in my case, I'm using voice meter, so it is selected right here. Now, once inside this page, click on the open or the more sound setting. Click recording, and then you just want to look for your microphone. In my case, I'm using the Asus ROG Kithara. I will also be able to confirm the mic input by looking on this audio gain. So in here, just click properties, click advanced, and you want to make sure that the exclusive mode and the signal enhancements is turned off. Basically, this will restrict your microphone into just a single application. So just turn this off and you will be good. Now, in my case, it is turned on because I'm currently on voice meter, but in your case, you just want to make sure that it is off. And so the last thing that you want to do after making sure that everything works perfectly on your microphone is you just head over to the Grand Theft Auto settings, and in here, make sure to enable the voice chat setting. Also, in here, we have the microphone enable. Once again, you want to do the same thing, which is to turn this on. And lastly, for the device input, just select your microphone. And then for the voice chat mode, we have the push to talk option and the voice activity. So you want to make sure that you know your keybinds on push to talk. So when you actually push a button, you will be able to speak into the microphone, enabling you to talk to other players on FiveM. Do the same thing for everything on the voice chat volume, the SVX volume during each voice chat, microphone volume, and the microphone sensitivity. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.